Hi, thanks for tuning in today, and today I'm going to have a go at a temporary repair to this exhaust. I just want to keep it going for a little while until I can get a replacement. So here's the exhaust that we're going to attempt to do a temporary repair on. So the first thing I want to do is attach this to here. That looks like quite a simple fix. I can place that in there and then tack weld it around here. The second part is a bit more difficult. The way I think I'm going to attack this is to clean up this part of the exhaust here, cut out the deep rust, and then make two patches, one for here and then one around the rim.
For drama, you couldn't lose a finger or something, could you?
Hey?
For drama, you couldn't lose a finger or something, could you?
Well, give it a go.
You'll have a few more hits.
Yeah, that's good. Right, that's it. That's it. Okay, now so I'm just going to offer this up to the exhaust so that I can give it a little bit of contour before we start welding. So I've cut this piece of metal here to shape. I've curved it around the exhaust pipe to give it a bit of a contour, a bit of a start. I'm going to tack it here and then in a couple of other places. As soon as the metal warms up, I'll be able to tap it into place without damaging the exhaust pipe. So I'll get on with that and I'll show you how it's going. Okay, eyes. So I've just completed the first part, and I've welded along this seam here. Came across another hole there, so I filled the hole in. It's only a temporary repair until we get a new exhaust, so I'm not too concerned about how it looks at the moment, but it's not too bad. Next part is to create a little plate and go around this seam here. So I've made the patch here. I've just put 2 tacks on it. I'm ready to remove the G-clamp now. Okay, Ian, if you can just remove the G-clamp. That's nicely in place. So now I can just give it a gentle tap. Just give it a gentle tap to make it form around the exhaust pipe itself. So as the metal heats up when I weld it, it will be much easier to form around the exhaust pipe itself. So this is the other end of the exhaust, and now I've got to marry this bit here. Okay, so I've got the tailpipe tacked in place. So what I've done is I've put a rim of tacks around the thin metal, and now I can work my way in from that. So it's tacked in 4 places. I'm just ready to go all the way around, and I'll have a look at it after that, give you a look at it after that. Okay, so I've completed the job as far as I want to go with this. There's the tailpipe welded back onto the silencer itself, and the other end of it is patched up, so I should get a few more miles out of that before I replace the exhaust completely. So I'm not too worried about the finish on it. I just want it to be safe and complete. Okay, so I've completed the temporary repair on this exhaust. I only want to do a temporary repair because the whole thing is going to get replaced soon. Just needs to be safe, and it just needs to be intact, so no gas escape. So thanks for watching, and hope that you can join me on my next video. Thanks.